We're doing Pendulum.
We are.
Dan's probably going to send all the features, and I'm probably just going to roll the bigger, massive ones, but I'll try my best to keep up. Okay. It's a big trail. Rode it yesterday, did okay on it. At 54 years of age, I've learned, sometimes the hard way, to know my limits. But that doesn't stop me from attempting some challenging trails. This is one of the bigger ones that I'm just gonna roll. This was my second run for the weekend, and I decided to roll and land on top of the biggest jumps. I still have plenty to learn before I get too old. This is definitely a massive trail. Woo! This is a big step down. Whoa! You! Whoa! Whoa! That one escaped me last time as well. So I spent some time yesterday on Flomeo, just getting that one bedded in a little bit further. This is a big one, and got me a lot of confidence to tackle some of these ones on here, like that one. Phew! Hey?
That looks painful, okay?
I didn't case it, didn't I?
The big one.
Oh, I did, yeah.
I look back and I'm like...
Pendulum was always going to be a big ask. We got a sneak peek on our last visit, so we knew what we were in for. It's an intimidating trail and shouldn't be underestimated. Woo! All right. Bit of a goat track.
No, you jumped this.
Yeah.
I've never jumped this.
You are. Need a bit of speed for it. I think I rolled it last time.
Yeah, I always roll it. Bitching out of this thing.
I'll follow you through, actually.
I reckon that's the most bendy thing on this track.
Even more than the step down? That step down's huge. I'll probably roll it, but I'll follow you through. I hit some of those bigger ones.
Yeah, good. I saw you hit the drop down.
Yeah. That drop is huge. It still scares me every time. I land quite deep into it.
Yeah, you just got to chill, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gotta roll that one. Trail speed is key here, so I gave it my all for the remaining jumps, coming close to dying on the big step up. Alright, steep section through here. Yeah, boy.
My fucking head went down.
Yeah.
My helmet was like this. I knew it was going to be a heavy landing, dude. That's Sandy, that is. I fucking boosted those then after that. I fucking chickened them all weekend. That was insane. Oh, it was a moment of fucking, like, am I doing my thing here?
Well done.
I haven't scared myself like that for a bit. Like, genuinely. Like, yeah, dude.
Yeah, you landed quite deep actually, deeper than I thought you would.
Yeah, that's where I wanted to go.
Yeah.
I don't want to be like within range of that knuckle. I went slower than I thought I would because of the run in, but it was fine. Holy! What a track!
There's a big step up coming a bit further up as well. What this place has done for my jumping is amazing. I still don't have a lot of the proper technique, but woo! So much more confident. Woo! I'm just gonna roll that one. This is that big step up. Woo! Whoa! I almost died on it that time. Woo! Whoa! Didn't see where that was going. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Alright. Dude, I almost died on that step up.
That's huge, isn't it? I went fucking deep on that this time.
I did better yesterday on it than I did today. I went, oh.
Oh, nosy.
Nosy, like real nosy. The amount of confidence I'm getting from Flomeo into this.
Yeah.
Dude.
These jumps, all of those jumps are not small.
No.
Even the little log skippers and stuff, a couple of those are pitches.
I love those. I love that straight section.
They're like pitchy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Could be like kick of the ass.